everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to make product prices bold. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store on the left. Just click it. This opens our themes page. Let's find our theme. Click the three-dot button. A new menu appears. Click Edit Code. This opens our theme's file page. In the filter, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.cs. Click it to open our store's appearance script. All our store's styling code is here. We'll scroll this script to the very bottom. Just go all the way down. At the end, there's a blank line. We'll add 2 more. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description. That's where we'll find the code we need. Simply click the button to copy the code. Clicking will copy the code. Let's go back to Shopify and paste our code in the blank line we left. After pasting, look for the Save button in the top right corner. Just click that button and the changes will be saved successfully. Now, on any product page in your store, you'll see the price correctly bolded as configured. This applies to both regular and discounted prices if you set up product promotions. I hope this video helped you.